The Rollator Walker RWT-350 is a remarkably compact mobility aid, folding into a suitcase-sized package that is perfect for travel and easily fits into car trunks or airplane cabins. With a simple 1-second fold mechanism, the walker requires no disassembly, making it convenient for seniors who need a quick and hassle-free way to store or transport their walker. Designed with an extra-wide seat and adjustable height settings, this walker provides exceptional comfort and support for taller or bariatric users, promoting proper posture and reducing strain. Constructed from high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum, the walker is incredibly stable and can support up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for uneven or bumpy terrains. The Rollator Walker RWT-350 comes fully assembled, allowing users to start using it right out of the box, with enhanced security features such as anti-slip grips and secure brake cable clips. Equipped with 8-inch wheels and curb climbers, this walker ensures smooth navigation over various surfaces, offering a reliable and safe mobility solution for outdoor use.